So now let's see how we can work around with the effects mask inside of guided edit mode. So in order to work around with the effect masks, I'm going to go around over here under guided, and over here you can see that apply an effect mask is an option. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and it says click on add media, and now I can go around onto files and folders right here and select out a media that I want to apply the effect mask in. So I'm just going to go around and select out, let's say, this one right here, and click on open just like this. So once I do that, I have my media on my project assets bin. So I'm just going to go around and drag it onto my video one right here. So it says right click over here on the video and click on effect mask. So I'm just going to go around over here onto clip, and then effect mask is an option. So I need to go around and click on apply, and once I do that, it says drag out the mask rectangle to the area you would like to apply the effect. So you can see that you can go around and drag this out onto the area that you want to apply the effect. Let's say right around over here. So it says resize it as needed by dragging on the corners over here as well. So you can go around and drag around the corners over here just like this. So you can go around and drag around the corners over here. So it says click next when done right here. Then under effects right here, you can see that alpha adjust is an option. So you can go around and drag it out right here and drop it onto the video clip right here. So it says drop it onto your video clip over here just like this. So let's just go around and then add it in. So I added it in right here just like this, and then it says you have added in an effect. So alpha adjust. So you can see that you can ignore the alpha, invert the alpha, or mask only right here just like this, and that is what you have. You can work around with the opacity right here just like this, and only that certain range has been affected now. And that is how you can go around and apply out effect mask onto a certain area of your video by using the guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.